Welcome back to Ramjet Bros. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell button down below to see all the latest videos as they come out. So today I have a special request from a friend called Chris and he wants me to make some nougat. So watch out for this. Quick and easy.
You'll need 100 grams of water, 90 grams of honey, 90 grams of glucose, 1 cup of sugar and 2 egg whites with a quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar. What we're going to do, we're going to put our sugar, water, glucose and honey into a pot to boil until it reaches to 145 degrees Celsius. During the time while that is busy boiling, we're going to make a soft meringue with our egg whites. And once our egg whites reach a medium peak, we're going to take our hot syrup that's already prepared at 145 degrees and gradually put it into the mix with the egg whites or the meringue until it becomes nice and fluffy. Then we're going to add in our nuts or gums or whatever we want into our nougat. What we're going to do, we're going to add some blanched almonds and some sweets.
There you have it, some nice nougat. All you have to do is keep it in a container. It'll be long lasting, just keep it out of humidity and it'll be perfect. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button down below to see all the latest videos as they come out.